Alright, so my project was to extend the project I did last quarter, which was ICAS, which was stands for Interactive Classroom Analytics Service. It's a web mobile application that allows an instructor to gauge his effectiveness by receiving votes from his students on a concept that he is teaching, or whether they understand it or not. You'll see what I'm talking about here in a second. So we're going to begin by logging in. Three different users, two students and one instructor. So we got guest one, guest two, and guest three is a teacher or an instructor, however you want to think of it. Alright, sign in. And here, I'll get the password wrong on this one just so you can kind of see what happens. Alright. It is actually authenticating. There we go. Alright, so at the moment it looks like there's only one course, calculus. But what I've extended for this this quarter is I've actually added the instructor side. So we're not going to go in the calculus just so I can create a new one. Physics, I guess, because we all want to relive that one. There we go. And now the other two screens I don't update when I added that, and that's because I was too lazy to add the code to do that, because I don't think it really matters. And the instructor's going to do it once before the term I'm figuring. So you don't need automatic updating. You know, by the time the students log in, it's already going to be there. So we're going to have to refresh to be able to see that. All right, there we go. So why don't we have our teacher go into physics? And so this is the concept screen, which should list all the concepts for this particular class that are being taught. There are none right now, so why don't we add one? Add relativity. Okay. There we go. There's relativity. Now, if we click into physics on our student accounts, we'll see relativity, relativity. All right. So why don't we go into relativity on our instructor account? Now, this is the actual concept page, which will show a pie chart of understanding. Right now, it says nobody's voted, because nobody has. And we'll join on our student accounts. So generating the pie charts, there we go. Okay. So let's say the teacher's like, yeah, relativity, speed of light, crap is shrinking, growing, time is slowing down, and nobody understands any of it except for this dude. He understands it because, I don't know, he's like Gabriel or something. There we go. Gabe gets it. Gabe always gets it. Okay. Now you'll notice that it's only counting two students here. You'll see by the half pie chart. When the instructor got into that classroom, it didn't, or into this concept, it didn't add him into the count for the statistics, which should probably seem obvious, but I didn't think about it until I tested it, and the pie charts didn't work out right. Okay, now this guy is everybody else, and he doesn't get it. Bam, okay. So the instructor starts teaching it, and Maybe he breaks out some stuff about Lorentz transformations, shows them the equation, and they're like, oh, I get it. I understand why the length changes when you approach the speed of light. And this guy's like, yeah, okay, I get it. And he's on the same page with Gabe over here now. He should be. There we go. All right, we get it. But now Gabe's like, wait a minute, I don't get it. Oh my god, the pie chart changed again. Crazy. Okay, and let's say this dude wants to leave. He wants to leave the class, so he's going to back out of the class level. Bam, he's gone, and our pie charts should reflect that. But they don't. Oh no, that's right, because he left, so now we're 100%. Alright, yeah, we're good. Alright. So that's about it. That was really it all need to be added to the instructor side of things. And seems to be working. So yeah, let's sign out. He went blank because there's nobody in there anymore. And back. Sign out. Alright, there you go. That's my project.